Hey there, my name's Wendy Robbins and I'm the CEO of Red Capes. And what Red Capes is really about is getting paid to be a superhero, being paid to do good. And what we do is, unlike Kickstarter or Indiegogo, we do something that's different than any other site out there. We allow you to create a contest. So now you're raising money for what you believe in, whatever that is, whether it's a film you're doing or a charity you support, a nonprofit, if you're an inventor, whatever. Now you're going to be able to raise money as a team. Now, you can create one, or you could say, hey, I want to join one of those contests. I'd love to raise money to help educate millions of kids or, do good on the planet. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you clicked on Sundance and you thought, I love Sundance. Let me see what they're about. So you watch the video, which is in the center, and now you'd see who's number 1, number 2, number 3, who's raised the most money. And they're raising money because they're part of a contest to get gifts and prizes. Now, they'd raise money anyway, but let's face it, it's fun to win prizes. So you can click on the links and you'll be able to see a story, the rules, the prizes, and the sponsors. Now, sponsors are super important because I don't know about you, but if a sponsor is willing to support a good cause, I'm going to buy from them. So that's why I really want you to go ahead and you're going to check that out. And then if you wanted to just donate to a campaign, let's just say that you thought, I don't want to be part of the contest, I'll just donate. You push the orange button. If you wanted to create a campaign, then you click on where it says that pink button that says create a fundraiser. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you to register. So you just go ahead and you register really quickly. And it's going to take you to this page that basically allows you to create basic information. So you've got your superhero checklist, and you're just going to follow along, read the instructions, just fill it out. It's super easy. Just take you a couple minutes. You're going to be able to put some information about yourself, which is important because people like to read about you. You're going to be able to choose an avatar, so you can be a super duper hero, or you can choose your own picture. Either way is totally cool. You put in your URL, your website, so that people can just know more about you. Because why not, right? That's awesome. Especially people will like the fact that you're supporting a good cause, and they will really want to know more about you. You can put in a tagline for fun, if you're a superhero or whatever you want to say about yourself, and go ahead and write a little story. The next tab that you're going to see, it's going to say funding goal. You're just writing in how much money you think you're going to be able to raise within a certain period of time. You click on those things and you're good to go. Next thing is your description, and you'll see that there's instructions right there to make it easy. And I would just follow along because people really want to know about you, what you're raising money for, what's the challenge, what's your unique solution, or why you want to raise money. Maybe you have a personal story, and you want to share that story so that people feel for you and really do want to help you raise that money. And so just go ahead and follow along. It's really easy. Take you a couple minutes. When you're done with that, you're going to click on the next link, which is perks. Perks are really gifts. And what we're doing is we're kind of exchanging gifts in exchange for a donation. And so it makes it really fun to be able to do that. And so you'll just, again, follow along. You'll upload a picture of what you're going to give away, the perk amount. In other words, for $5, I'm going to give you a mention on Facebook. And then to describe it, I reach 25,000 people. I'm offering 1,000 of those. And again, you're not going to use decimals or numbers. So if I were to write 1,000, it'd be 1000. Important, otherwise you end up with an error message. Not fun. And so again, you're going to say how many. And then the last part, which is really important, is I'm going to deliver that gift by this date. So you see a little calendar icon. You click on that and you just go ahead and you save that and you save the perk. And it'll take you to the next page. Well, actually, it won't take you to another page. What'll happen is you'll scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll see that indeed your perk has shown up. And if you need to update it, you just go ahead and you write in whatever you need to and just hit update and you're good to go. The next thing is going to be media. Now, this is super important. Remember, the contest as a whole has a video, but there's not a video with you, personally speaking, about why it's so important. And let's face it, it's your friends and your followers, your fans that really want to see something about you. Just make it simple, just a simple, heartfelt video of why you want to raise money for this cause or why you want to win. And then you can add pictures. Now, the more pictures you add, the friendlier it is. I love seeing pictures, and you can also add documents. So, feel free to add whatever you want, and you can keep doing that. You can keep coming back to this page and add more media, and it's all good. Now, social connections, You're going to add your Facebook, your Twitter, your YouTube, your website, and keywords, just meaning how are people going to find you? Because again, you're competing. It's really a co-opetition is what I call it. You're competing, so how are people going to find you versus somebody else? That's why you want to consider that. And then when you fill that out, you can certainly add more people to your team. I always think it's great. Why do this alone? So now you can have people on your team that are helping to raise money for a good cause, right? And again, the system will send the email invitations to whoever you put in there, and then, you save it, and then you can preview and submit it. I would preview, make sure that it looks good, make sure the layout looks good, and you can change things, you can change your fonts and like that. And under media, you're going to you'll see a little star, you're going to star the video that you want to show up first. So if you haven't starred that, you're going to see, oops, there's nothing there. So that might remind you like, oh, that's right, I have to choose the star, and that will give you your first image or the first video that people will see. I would always do a video beyond anything else, okay? So now, while you're waiting for the approval, you probably want to get paid, right? So when you complete your campaign information and while we're waiting to approve it, we're going to send you an email to activate your WePay account. Now, WePay is like PayPal. It's different in the sense that it allows for the money to go directly into the bank account. And it's got some other advantages, charges less of a fee, etc. So that's why we chose it versus PayPal. So once you do that, and it will let us know, the system will let us know, then you can start getting paid. And no money, just so you know, is ever kept on RedCapes, though we do have a secure server very similar to what a bank uses. But that will help you to understand what to do. So now that you know this, I would go and I would either join a contest or create a contest. It's easy to do either. If you're going to create a contest, then go ahead and email me or call me, wendy@redcapes.com, or you can call the number below. And if you want to just join a contest, go to redcapes.com. You'll see what contests are there. And just follow the tabs like I showed you how to do it. It's super duper easy. If you wanted to create your own campaign without a contest, again, you can just go to redcapes.com and it'll allow you to create your own campaign without the contest feature. Okay? So looking forward to connecting, looking forward to raising money for good causes and changing the world together. Woohoo!